Okay, so lots of algebra here to work on. Finding an inverse algebraically. I'm going to give you f at x and ask you to find the inverse. So here, I'll do the first couple for you, and then I'm going to give you some time to work on it yourself. Keep your notes nice and neat. You can do some of the work on your boards and then put the answer in. So here's the function. What's the inverse? Well, my function is y equals 5x minus 1. My inverse is x equals 5y minus 1. How am I going to solve that for y? Well, add 1 to both sides. Divide both sides by 5. So here's my inverse. Y is equal to x plus 1 over 5. Remember that 5 is dividing both terms? If you were writing this in y equals mx plus b format, that x is being divided by 5, which is the same as multiplying by a fifth, and the 1 is being divided by 5. Okay, so your original function had a domain and a range, it's a line, of all reals, which makes it really simple to tell us what your inverse function is. F inverse x is 1/5 x plus 1/5, and it has the same domain of all reals and a range of all reals. I guess hard to see, but this old domain is the new range, this old range is the new domain. There's your inverse function. Okay, so carry on. The next one is another linear function. Please find the inverse, and then we'll check your answer, and then look at the parabola, the quadratic.